Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole, and today we are making a gorgeous make-ahead blueberry French toast bake. It's a wonderful weekend breakfast that's a little bit eggy, crusty and golden on the edges, and laced with cream cheese and blueberries. Top it with maple syrup or blueberry sauce, and the whole family is going to love it. Today's recipe starts with prepping the bread, and I have a basic white loaf here, but most any white bread will do. You simply want to remove the crust. And you'll want to cube the bread into 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch cubes. And don't worry, I will have the full recipe for you in the description. And you'll want about 6 cups of cubed bread, between 7 and 8 ounces. And now we want to prep our egg mixture by adding 6 large eggs to a bowl. And give them a good whisk with a fork. Add 1 cup of 2% milk, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, a splash of vanilla, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of nutmeg. And give it all one more whisk to combine everything evenly. Next, you'll want to butter an 8x8 casserole dish. Don't be too shy because it helps to make nice golden edges. We're going to place approximately 1/2 of the bread cubes in the bottom of the pan, spreading out evenly. Next, we'll top the bread with fresh blueberries. I have about 3/4 of a cup here, and you want to put 1/2 of them on at this time. I have 6 ounces of cream cheese that I'm simply going to cut into small bits and add to the blueberry layer. And you just want to randomly scatter the cream cheese. I do find the cream cheese to be a little bit sticky to work with, so if you simply take a piece of bread, cream cheese, back in the pan. And if you can cube the cream cheese nicely and scatter it about, even better. And you want to add 1/2 the cream cheese at this time. And then we'll simply repeat the layers of bread, blueberries, and cream cheese, spreading everything out as evenly as possible. And finally, we'll evenly pour over the egg mixture. And just give it a gentle press. And now we're going to cover tightly and refrigerate overnight up to 24 hours. Welcome back, everybody. It's been about 22 hours and I have my oven preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to go ahead and pop in our casserole for about 40 minutes until it's golden. And we'll let it rest about 5 minutes before cutting into squares. Golden, eggy, with a spattering of cream cheese and blueberries, and it smells amazing. Blueberry French toast bake is a fantastic weekend treat that's worth waking up for. Wonderful with maple syrup, or try it with my balsamic blueberry sauce. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or you can visit my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.